Hi, and welcome to LB0 Fox India Norwegian Ham Ventures. I'm Morten, LB0 Fox India. And what do you do if you've been a ham for a while and you got a little bit of extra equipment? Like this Retevis RT98. I've done a review on this. You can find it up here somewhere. And you got, let's say, a roll-up J-pole antenna and perhaps some other gear. What do you do with that if you have it lying in a shelf and you don't use it? Well, you can always do one thing. This is LB7 Victor Juliet, and he's had his license for about 2 weeks. And what's better to do than give him a little bit of a start kit? There you go. That's the way you can do it. Ham it forward, give your unused equipment to new hams, and help them start out in the hobby. Thank you for watching. If you want to support the channel, there are a couple of ways down below to do that. Please do like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, 7-3.